Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. Aries. So let's see what are these cards first, guys. We have Five of Spheres in reverse, Abyss of Stars in reverse, and Death. So Aries, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Today, guys, there is a person who is really close, who is really important to you. This may be your parent, your sibling, someone who is really concerned about you. But this person is trying to dominate you, control your actions, and they are criticizing you for certain things, guys. Maybe they don't like the way you are handling your situation, or maybe they are trying to make you understand certain things, trying to resolve some situation or get clarity. So this person is helping you, but their ways may be difficult and it is stressing you, guys. Maybe their words are harsh, and but this person is really concerned about you. That is the reason they are here, and they want a deep understanding with you, and they are trying to bring that in your situation. So this person may be supporting you or helping you in your work or in your relationship, guys. So they are acting as a guiding light today, but their ways are difficult and you feel it's really difficult to handle this person, but they are really concerned about you, guys, and you need to understand that. And maybe in your situation you are feeling a lot of stress. Maybe there may be some troubles or obstacles you are facing, and you would have thought that this person is truly in love with you and they like you a lot, they love you a lot, but the way they behave, they are obsessed with certain things, or they are quite possessive of you. They want to find out what you are doing, where you are. They are constantly asking you questions or questioning you for each and everything, and they are really possessive, guys. And maybe they love you a lot. That may be the reason for their possessiveness, and you feel really irritated because of their possessive attitude. So their possessiveness is irritating for you, guys. So though this person loves you a lot, you feel really irritated by the way they are questioning you, guys. And Aries, I also see in your situation there are great changes coming, guys. Great transformation coming in your life today. So whether let it be an illness that you have faced or someone is facing in your circumstance, or some negative situations in work, or negative situation, maybe some fear, whatever it is, guys, all that is changing, giving way for something new or something better coming in your life today. And you are getting a new direction today, and all that illusions or confusions, doubts, whatever that was there in your life till now, all that is changing, and you are progressing in a positive way, guys. And maybe these changes may give you some pain because you need to give up the old ways or your old ideas. Maybe that may be quite stressful, painful for you, but you need to understand that these changes are happening, giving way for something new, something much better for you guys, for you in your life. So positive changes are here for you guys, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So, what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So, it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need, and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you, and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth, and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.